Good afternoon, folks. This is Ankur here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Technical Analysis, the Unbiased View. Today, I would like to discuss Nifty 50. This is Nifty Futures chart, right? And today is a holiday for us on Ram Navami. Today is 21st of April, and the market closed on 20th, which was yesterday, Tuesday. Markets closed uh, at 12,296, and they made a low of 14,000, sorry, 14,296, and they made a low of 14,225. I just happened to check SGX Nifty few minutes back, and SGX Nifty was trading at 14,074. It made a low of 14,016. So very comfortably 280 points, from here as of now. We all know there is a second wave of corona which is creating a lot of uncertainty into the markets, uncertainty regarding the lockdown, the extension of the lockdown. So it has become very important for us right now to understand in case there is a deep cuts in the market, so where we all can find a uh, suitable support in the market. So the first support in the market based on this particular chart structure. Let me open 2 hours chart for you. So the first support we can get in the market is somewhere here, which is 13,787. So let's keep this level in mind very crystal clear, that in case the market slips below 14,000, so it should stop somewhere around 13,877. I'm so sorry, 13,787. And at this particular level, we will not try to short the market. If we want to short the market from here, then we will have to wait for the closing. And if we see a weak closing below this, then we will wait next day for first 15 minutes, and then we will take a short call, right? Because there could be a strong pullback from this level, which will again lead to the market from here till 14,284. So let's wait for for the levels. If you want to short from 13,787, if the closing is coming below 13,787, then there is a suitable short for next day. But for that also, we'll wait for first 5-10 minutes, and if there is an open equal to high, and then we'll make that high as a stop loss. You should have a very small stop losses around this area, because there could be a strong pullback, and there is no point keeping a deeper stop losses at this point in time in market, because there are few factors which are supporting Nifty are telecom, e-commerce, pharma, IT. They are kind of immune. Yes, there is a banking sector which is quite bearish. Then there is aviation, right? Then there are consumer durables, a few areas, but the weightage is not that. The weightage of those sectors is not more. The weightage of Bank Nifty today at present in Nifty 50 is 38%, right? So we will have to evaluate very carefully based on the index. We will also need to see uh, particular sectoral index on daily basis. When you open the market, you should see metal index, you should see Nifty IT index, Nifty IT, Nifty Pharma, right? You can't go short blindly only looking at the banking, because Nifty bank can behave separately and Nifty can behave separately, because Nifty consists of different components, right? It is not only the banking, but yes, there's a that percentage, the weightage of banking in Nifty is 38%, so that's quite heavy. That's the dominant factor. So as of now, what SGX Nifty is showing us, that there could be a gap down in the market tomorrow, and if there is a gap down in the market, and if you will find open equal to high till 920, 925, you can keep the stop losses of the high and short the market. And once the market slips below 14,000, so 13,787 is the place where Nifty should find the support and stop and pull back, and the pullback could again go up to 14,225, right? So these are the very crystal clear level. And from there, if you want to long, so we will have to wait that Nifty should close above 14,225 for aggressive trader, and for passive trader, Nifty should close above 14,284. So if Nifty any day closing above these two levels, then you can long the market for 14,470. And from again in that region, you should book your profits. So these are the few crystal clear levels with respect to Nifty 50. So let's see. XGF Nifty as of now is not showing us a very positive sign. So if there is a gap down, wait for first 5 to 10 minutes. If there is open equal to high, keep that as a stop loss. And if Nifty slips below 14,000, then 13,877 is a place where you should book your profits. And if you're buying in a multiple loss, then keep booking the profits in every 50 points, 50, 70 points. Yep. Thank you. Keep watching my channel, Technical Analysis, the unbiased view by Ankur Singh. And I'll try to post one video daily, a small video, not more than 7 8 minutes, and with the crystal clear levels. Today I'm sharing a Nifty 50 chart. From tomorrow I'll start sharing stocks, and on the weekend we'll have a weekly analysis, right? For the stock or for the index. So wherever we find a suitable opportunity, I'll share the levels with you, right? The stop loss, the targets, so you can go ahead with that. Thank you and bye bye.